So hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger.
And on this video we're gonna show you 2022 third gen Hayabusa.
Yes.
In this Aerolex Suzuki's delivery video.
Yes.
So let's start this video.
So please stay tuned and please like our video to increase our confidence.
That's it.
Some snacks and all provided by them. Let's see what we have.
So now we are in this showroom, and as you can see, this Hayabusa is standing over here, and there will be delivery in few times after a few minutes. But now thanks to Aerolex Suzuki for giving us this snacks. So after eating these snacks, we will shoot more cinematic shots and show you. See this art from Ali Bhai and the crew members of Aerolex Suzuki, and this is the Hayabusa right here, and this guy is eating snacks. Okay, and I really love this balloon, black and gold, just same as the color of this third gen black Hayabusa. Okay, it was very good.
So I personally love these nuggets, but I was doubting that it was chicken nuggets because I'm totally veg. But it's cheese, corn, and yes, and aloo tikki I think especially.
More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I do it for you. Now let me throw it. I do it for you. Why they wanna move like that? I do it for you. I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Just check the size of this Hayabusa from back. Actually, this bike looks so bigger compared to this camera. This bike is so bigger. Just see, this is two exhaust of this Hayabusa, and this is very bigger Hayabusa compared to the second gen.
And still the stock exhaust is also so loud that it's amazing, totally amazing. Just see it. Wow. So that is it for today's, and please help us reaching 10,000 subscribers by clicking in the subscribe button, and please like this video if you like.
We will make more videos like this.
Yes.
We will make separate third gen Hayabusa video on that same Hayabusa which you saw now. So do everything and comment down below.
And thanks to Indresh Naidu who gave us the permission to make that delivery vlog.
And thanks to Aerolex Suzuki and Ali Bhai and all the Aerolex Suzuki team member for letting us shoot that video.
Yes.
And apart from this delivery video, GV Sumesh is coming to Bangalore. And yes, please comment down below and give us suggestions so which video we should make next. Okay, that's it.
Make it last a little longer. Say you want